Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing roadies!
Oh, Budgie will always help if there's a problem. And if someone's in trouble, he's there on the double. He'll just grin and zoom off to the rescue. To the rescue, to the rescue. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure. Oh, Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Something was going on at Harefield Airfield. Something that was making life very noisy and uncomfortable for everyone who lived there.
What a racket!
Terrible, isn't it?
How can anyone sleep with all this noise?
Sleep? Oh, Budgie. I've been out already and through the wash. I feel great.
Well, if you like it that much,
Yes?
you can go through it again for me.
Oh, Budgie.
How's the painting going?
Not bad. Lucy's just doing the 5.
At 5p?
Yes, and I've done the P for parking. There, finished.
Can you leave that then and give me a hand with some chairs?
Yeah.
Right, Mum.
So much to do. I'll be glad when the air show's over.
Gosh, it's worse than ever.
Has to be done. Whole place spick and span for the air show tomorrow. Jolly good show.
Wow! What's that?
Dad! Oh, I say! Ow!
Oh,
No, bad show! And it was jolly well not funny, right?
no. No, Lionel. Sorry, Lionel.
And look at the state of you. Have you been through the heli wash this morning?
Well,
Have you?
no, Lionel.
I thought not. Covered in dust.
Sorry, Lionel. Perhaps I'd better get hoovered too.
Right, that did it. You're out of the air show.
Oh, Lionel.
I'm sure he didn't mean...
No argument. You're not in the flight pass, Budgie. And that's that.
But Lionel,
Attention all aircraft.
Shh!
One load of live lobsters to be collected from Mr. Haddock at Seapool Harbour immediately, please.
Ah, live lobsters.
Deliver to the fishmongers in Oakford. Seapool to Oakford. Soon as possible, please. Thank you.
A load of live lobsters. Budgie.
Oh, no.
Go on, go on. Right, you're clear. Boy, and take care of my lobsters.
Lobsters. I ought to be practicing for the air show. It's not fair. I'd show them flying. None of the others can do this. Oh! Oh, me nose! Let go, me nose! done it! I've done it! Oh, no! Oh, gosh. Now I'm really in trouble. What's Mr. Haddock going to say? What's Lionel going to say? It's no use. They've gone. I'll have to...
Base to Budgie. Base to Budgie, over.
Yes, Lionel? Budgie to base. Reading you loud and clear. Over.
Have you dropped those lobsters off yet, Budgie?
Well, yes, I have. But not quite the way you...
Yes, well, don't hang about them. The weathermen say there's a thick fog on its way.
Budgie to Lionel. Thick fog, did you say? Over.
Affirmative, Budgie. Get back to base as quickly as possible, all right? Over.
Will do, Lionel. Over and out.
He will be all right, won't he, Lionel?
Yes, of course he will. Now, if there's a fog coming in, I'd better get my job done before it gets here. Machine parts to a factory at Grimechester. Not far away.
Oh, yes.
And don't worry about Budgie. He'll be back in no time.
Gosh, they were right about the fog. I'll just about make it.
Well, that weather forecast was right enough.
I just hope our lads haven't gone too far out.
Aye.
Help! Help! Hello? I thought I heard something. No. Help! Help! I did. Someone in trouble. Someone as well as me. Hello? Help! Oh gosh, he's over there in the fog. Now what do I do?
No use, Kev. It's had it. I thought I heard an engine. Over there. I should have brought flares. I could have bought a foghorn. Yeah, we'd better both shout. Help! Help!
This is awful. I can't see a thing. I might as well just...
Help! Help!
Wait a minute. That sounded nearer. Somewhere to starboard.
Help! Hello? Help!
Yes. Yes, there.
It's a plane! It's a helicopter! We're gonna be all right! Get hold of that hook! Fix it to the bow! Yeah, right!
Oh dear. Neither sight nor sound of those lads. Do you think we better go and call the Coast Guard?
Aye, I reckon we'd better add. There's a phone box over there.
Right, come on then. Oh dear me.
Hi, kid.
Oh, hello, Chuck.
Say, what's with the long face?
It's Budgie.
Oh, come on. He's not that bad.
I don't mean that. He's out in the fog somewhere.
Out there? In this? Sheesh! No wonder you're worried.
Oh, well, thanks a lot. Oh, Budgie.
I wish I knew where I was. I can't see a thing. Got to get those two back to land, but... Wait a minute. That foghorn's getting fainter. Gosh, I must be heading out to sea. That's it. Head for the sound of the foghorn.
Hang on, Barry! You're not kidding!
All I know is they went out to do a spot of fishing and the fog came down. Yes, 2 lads in a 12-foot dinghy. Oh, over an hour ago. Any chance you could launch the lifeboat? What? Say again? I can't hear you. There's a terrific racket from something.
It's a helicopter.
It's them! It's the lads! They're all right! Budgie's brought them home! Goodbye!
Bye! Bye! Thanks!
Thank you! Now, What have I told you about never going out without warning flares?
So first you don't get a wash when you're told. Then you give cheek. You come back from a job looking even dirtier. And smelling a fish.
But I...
Lionel, that's...
And now the controller's had a phone call about you.
Oh.
Phone call? Uh-oh.
So, to begin with, my lad, it's the heli wash for you.
Oh, Lionel.
Heli wash. Because if you're going to lead the fly past at the air show tomorrow, you've got to look your best.
Lead the fly past?
Hey, I wanted to lead the fly past.
Oh, Budgie!
The phone call was from Mr. Haddock to tell us that you'd lost his lobsters and that he couldn't care less. A very brave rescue, he said. So well done, Budgie. We're proud of you.
Yes, Budgie, we are.
Okay, I guess you ought to lead the fly past.
Thanks, Lionel. Gosh, that's great.
Yes?
I suppose I couldn't forget the wash?
Oh, Budgie.